Hello, guys, welcome to the Sunday reading and look at what beautiful cards have come for today. These are picked from three different decks again, and the first card is talking about detaching from the drama. So, what drama you're creating in your life and what it is that needs to go away is something that you need to ponder. This is the Ascended Master, Master Palace Athena, asking us, giving us a sword to cut away all that is not required in our lives. Again, a card of let go, again, a card of detachment, a card that says that whatever is happening in your life, any situation that's bothering you and bogging you down will have a solution. Look into it. Don't create drama around it. Oh, why this has happened and how will I solve this? Of course, every lock has a key, so every situation has a solution. Let's not create any drama around it. Let's play with our intuitions. Let's go ahead with whatever our intuitions are saying and work towards finding a solution. You don't have to go through a situation. You can always move around the situation. There is no need, no requirement to be involved in anybody's trauma, neither yours or anyone else's. Okay, so this first card is again talking about letting go of any energies, any frequencies that are not meant to be in your circles. So this is the first card leading to the next one, which is the Empress card. So any delays that you have felt so far, know that they were necessary, they were meant to be. Hence we all face some kind of delay in anything that we were looking at fruition of. So the Empress card also, as you look at her, doesn't it evoke a maternal energy? It's all about love, it's all about beauty, it's all about, look at the peace and smile on her face. It's all about loyalty. Literally loyalty is oozing out of this card. She's surrounded by nature, surrounded by abundance. So this card also says that you have it all. This energy is coming to us to say that all projects and every work that you have been wanting to do is all coming to fruition. And also this is the time for new beginnings, new birth. Anyone who is wanting to go on the family way, this is the card that says it is that time of childbirth. You will, if you are looking at pregnancy or you're looking at creating a family life ahead, this is that card, this is that time that shall definitely happen. Also, new projects, new ideas, anything that you are wanting to work, this card is giving you a heads up that it is that time that all new things in your life will bring in abundance, will bring in success. So this is that beautiful card also talking about spending your time with your loved ones. Look and tap inside of you to connect with your feminine energy. Love yourself, nurture yourself today. It is a Sunday any which ways. So spend time with your loved ones. Spend time in doing things that you would love to do, even if it is doing yourself. Just sit by yourself. If there is a hobby that you would want to give attention to, do that. It is that time for you to love yourself and nurture yourself. So go ahead and carry on. Yesterday was a 3-3 portal that had opened. This card is again the major arcana, card number 3, talking about abundance, talking about all success coming our way. So new ideas, new creativity. Sit, look at what it is that you want to create and know that it definitely shall come your way. And the last card is the beautiful card from the Chakra Tarot deck, and it is the Six of Coins. In the normal tarot deck, this card also stands for Six of Pentacles, which means that whatever you are receiving from the universe, it is time to reciprocate as well. This blue color, this indigo color, and the Six of Coins also represents the sixth chakra, our third eye chakra, which talks about intuitions going stronger. You will see beyond what actually meets your eyes. It is time for you to go within and look for what messages and intuitions are coming your way. We had a dream card yesterday, and see, this one is again talking about focusing on your intuition, focusing on your third eye to see what meets but what goes beyond what actually meets your eyes. And this card also talks about charity. Whatever you're receiving, the abundance that's coming your way from nature, whatever gifts of abundance that are being presented to you from the universe, it's also time to share. It's also time to give and spread that joy, spread that happiness, spread that peace with others around you. So this also is the card of charity. So anyone who wants to go out and help others, this card is ensuring that when you share with others, when you spend things, when you spend monies on others, or bring in gifts into their lives, be it your time, it's not necessarily money. If you give your time to someone, even that's a gift. So when you share what you get, it only spreads joy, it only spreads love, it only spreads peace in everyone's life. So these are the beautiful cards for today. And it's a beautiful Sunday, time to sit with yourself and see what it is that you need to let go, and what it is that you need to create new ideas, new birth, and share them with your loved ones, share them with ones who don't have anyone to share it with. So go ahead and spread that laughter, spread that love, spread that peace, and spread your magic, and know that the universe has your back. Have a beautiful Sunday, guys, and I'll see you soon.